To write a reference for a book, you need to start with the surname of the author, followed by a comma, followed by the initial of the author's name with a capital letter, followed by the year of publication of the book between brackets, followed by the title of the book in italic, followed by a dot, followed by the place of publication of the document, followed by a colon and the name of the publisher of the book, followed by a dot. If the title of the book has a subtitle, you need to write it after a colon. In your reference list, you will need to write all the author's name as the reference list does not count as part of your word count. If the book has an editor, use their name and add between brackets the mention ed followed by a dot for one editor or edited by for plural. For more than one editor, you need to put the initials before the name. You can also add a book series of number, if it's indicated in the book, and put after the name of the publisher but before the last dot. If the book is not a first edition, you need to add the edition number after the title of the book, after a dot, in numerical followed by the initial EDN. For collections of published work, like Sigmund Freud, Melanie Klein, or Wilfred Bion, you need to write both the original year of publication of the paper and the year of publication of the book, if the original year of publication differs from the year of publication of the document you consulted. For documents by Sigmund Freud, you will need to indicate in full the mention in the standard edition of the complete psychological work of Sigmund Freud for the standard edition, in the Penguin Freud Library for the Penguin edition and the volume number, and in the standard edition of the complete psychological work of Sigmund Freud, volume 18. Judenpaper Archive, square brackets, online, close to square brackets, via EBSCOhost, between brackets, authenticated resource. No pagination is given within the resource of the paper archive. The mention of a book from the standard edition can be shortened after the first mention in the reference list to in standard edition followed by the volume number.